This video will show you some of the ways in which you can draw and label stereochemistry in ChemSketch. Here, I have a couple of example structures that I'll reproduce using the stereochemistry drawing tools. Wedges and dashes can be inserted directly using this icon. Right-click in the workspace to switch between wedge and dash drawing mode. Click on an atom to attach a wedge or dash. Click on an existing wedge or dash to change its direction or to convert it to a wide bond. Alternatively, if you have a structure drawn with undefined stereochemistry, you can click on an existing single bond to convert it to a wedge or dash. Click on the white arrow to see options for labeling and designating chiral carbons. Using this feature will set the stereocenter to the R configuration. Right-click in the workspace to switch to the S configuration. If you select a structure, then click on Generate Stereo Descriptors, ChemSketch will insert R, S, or an asterisk wherever appropriate. An asterisk is used to denote chirality that is undefined by the structural drawing. The Enhanced Stereo tool can be used to define mixed stereochemistry for a combination of absolute, relative, and racemic configurations in one structure. Click on the Help icon for more information about enhanced stereochemistry tools. Select a molecule and click on Stereoisomers Generator to view all possible stereoisomers. Choose a stereoisomer, then click Insert Selected to copy it to the clipboard. Click inside the workspace to paste. If you hold down Ctrl and select more than one stereoisomer, inserting the selected will create a new page in your document. These structures can be edited in the same way as any other structure. Thanks for watching.